Hey guys, we'll be back again in this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video simply today guys, some of my best friends asked me that why don't you please make first video for PHP. Now today guys, this is going to be our first video in PHP. I know I made some other system before to you guys, though I will simply say that I'm going to start actually making for video officially for PHP, right from introduction, installation and things like that. Now I will not waste a lot of time to you guys. I'll just go straight forward. Now this is going to be an introduction or the beginners, the beginning of the programming with the PHP. Now what's PHP? What PHP is simply what known as the preprocessor. The preprocessor language. It's a scripting language. That's what I'll simply tell you at the beginning, that for it to run you need to have actually what known as the server running your machine. Now for me, I have one where I've installed what known as XAMPP. Now if you have XAMPP installed in your machine, this is the version I'm running at the moment. Now make sure that Apache is started. So the first thing that I will simply tell you, either you have the following server, either you have WAMP server or a XAMPP server. So all of those ones, they will be enabled in your machine to have local running of PHP installed in your machine, because XAMPP or WAMP server comes with the PHP installed. Or you can just download straight away PHP from php.org on Google or any platform that may happen to go and download just from there and in the machine from internet. Now just make sure that PHP started. You click here to enable your PHP as long as you have already installed your XAMPP in your machine. So that's the first real introduction. Simply I will go and let you know at the moment. And another thing that guys, I would like also to know that in this introduction beginning of the PHP is that you also make sure that at least you have some basics in JavaScript, CSS and HTML, because you'll discover that most of the things I'm going to be dealing with in the PHP, you should at least have some little information about HTML and CSS. How can you embed HTML and CSS and also JavaScript inside our PHP? So guys, let's say that this is going to be the end of the first introduction, though I'll just go and take the next step in the next introduction in the next video on how really can we now work really on our PHP. Now maybe before to wind up is that I would like to also let you know that the following are the editors that we shall be in a position to need to make sure to run PHP. One of them, we should be in a position to have either Notepad++ installed in your machine, or the plain Notepad for Windows if at all you're using Windows, or if at all you're using any other or Mac or any other platform around. I would request you guys at least have Sublime Text installed, or Vim if at all you're using those of Mac. Then we shall be in a position actually to run PHP in our machine. So don't forget, the first requirement is to install the server, which is either XAMPP or WAMP server, which will come with the PHP packages straight installed in your machine. And the next thing is that you have the editors which are ready for you to run the PHP on the web browser. And another thing is of the browser, I know guys we have Internet Explorer, which is good, but I also recommend you to use Chrome, because I'm going to use Chrome in this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel in this introduction. Don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel, and if at all your friend has watched this video, please recommend for any of those you guys, your classmates who might not yet watch the videos. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.